Hello and welcome to day number 122 of our Travel Trader series, and today is the 1st of May, which is Labor Day in many European countries, and that was a reason for a little party over here, and we were still active in the stock markets. I know yesterday I told you that today European markets or European cash markets are closed and therefore I wouldn't trade them, or I wouldn't do any day trading or index trading, which I didn't. However, at days like these or in times like these, I have in many cases some trading opportunities what I see, and that is basically something when we are at a certain price level, and I think that if that price level breaks, we will see some acceleration downwards. That is when I will have an automatic order in the market. And today there were two actually triggered, but I will talk about them a little bit later. So let me give you an update. Today I closed finally the British pound euro trade, which was a little bit better than yesterday. So I closed it at minus 2,848 just to get rid of it. And on the other side I also closed the US dollar Swedish krona trade. So we made 2,808 euro and 62 on this. So these two trades were equaling each other out, so to speak. Another trade closed today, so without me actually trading actively, it still went out very, very fine. So today on a public holiday where most of my time I spend on the beach and in the ocean, so I didn't do pretty much anything in trading apart from that I closed a few trades in the morning and checked on later on. So I probably spent like 2 minutes or something in total today in the markets at all. But we still made a total, if you put all things together, 3,100 euro and 62 cents. So that's a great result for a public holiday where I didn't want to trade at all actually. So that's very, very good, and I'm looking forward to Monday because first of all over the weekend I will prepare my list of stocks, commodities and indices to watch over the next month. Also some forex pairs, and we'll put that list together and we'll give it to you. So if you go to my website and you sign up for it, you can have it for free, or if you follow my social media, I'll publish it there. So you will see pretty much what I intend to trade, or what I watch closely at least, over the next few weeks. Also, for those of you interested, I want to hold another webinar this month, and I looked at the 20th of May, and I want to talk a little bit about the upcoming euro crisis and the corona impact. It's not really a secret that I think markets will go down again, and we can talk about the reasons, how to prepare, how to make some money out of it. If you're interested, very soon we'll publish the links where you can register so we can have a webinar together. And I love it to be interactive, so if you have any questions or something, let me know, put them in the comments, or if you want to something specific to be covered, let me know up front so we can talk about it. Otherwise you can always ask in the webinar. And one of the reasons why I made money today is because I was prepared, having a view of the market where I think we have quite a lot of chance to go down every other day. So therefore I add these things in, I like these orders in, and that's what eventually made us a lot of money today. So closing the day with 3,100 euro and 62 cents in profits. Looking forward having the webinar on the 20th of May, 8 p.m. Central European time. Let me know if you're interested. I can send you the link so you can register. And otherwise, I'm looking forward to talk to you again tomorrow, and we will be back to our whiteboard talking a little bit more about some knowledge so we can get you prepared for all the chances that are lying ahead in the markets. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you a great evening and a good time, and goodbye.